Yeah, it's 2 o'clock in the morning here and we're videoing, huh?
I ain't even woke up. You had a tummy ache. That's why you eating so good.
We tried to, he wouldn't wake up, so he's just gonna sleep. I think he's batting here. His eyes are basically open. Smile.
Can you come and get my hair?
I see your hair.
Come get it.
I see it sticking up all over your head.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
You missing it. You done did it now. Oh, couldn't heard it. Very, very silent. But he did it a long time.
What?
Yeah. When you think I'm out, it's full.
Of course, I just changed him. What do you want me to get your hair for?
See if you can find any gray. You see the gray?
Yeah.
You can?
Uh-huh.
Just hitting it. You see some plenty of yours too. Wow.
It's because this one,
Time to burn.
I want to get the burp on there. Gotta have a burp. And we'll get Bryant later on, him eating.
He ain't as much experience as Benji is.
That's Wild doing that. Wrong child doing that to him.
What's that?
That's usually where we burp Bryant.
I do him just what they. You mean the up and down thing? There you go. There you go. What's that? Oh, okay. You ready for it? Yeah. You ready to eat now? Hold on. Hey, boy. You ain't fighting mama, you gonna lose. Go ahead and turn red in the face. See if I can. Like that, you're gonna lose. Just for that, here. There you go. You couldn't try to grab it.
Okay, come on. Look at him in the bottle. What's funny is he's slinging his diaper around.
Mm-hmm.
Look at him in the legs. He's going right now.